Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can use your Android, how you can have an Android device in your computer. This is basically done through virtualization as well as through the app called BlueStacks. Now BlueStacks is it's very famous, honestly. And it's an app player which emulates an Android application. Now, you just want to come to this website, which is bluestacks.com, and then you just want to download it. Now, I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to do that again. And then after that, you just want to install it. Now, as you see, my BlueStacks is installed. I've got my system apps, my Play to Win stuff, Game Center, and all that. I did not mean to press that. I do not know how to go back. Maybe this. Alright, that does take me back, thank God. And this emulates your mobile device in every way. That's your back, that's your home, that's your multitask. So now this is basically an Android device. You can sign in. We're just gonna sign in with our Gmail. Alright. So after you sign in, it's gonna tell you welcome and all that, and you just want to press on I agree. It's basically like your Android device. And now once you have access to the Google Play Store, you can download whichever Android apps you want, as well as you're gonna get all the benefits of the Google services that you would typically get on your Android device. Now I'm just gonna press on I accept, and voila, I now have an Android in my Windows computer. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.